people, friends, today we've got a little kit review. It's aftermarket product. It's for the B1B Lancer jet nozzles for Revell. It's the kit I previously reviewed. The nozzles that come in the kit are okay, they're alright out of the box, but as I said in the video when I did the review, I was going to try and get the best stuff I can and make the kit a little bit better. So I've gone some resin nozzles. Let's take a look what we got inside. It's 1/48 scale. Inside the kit you get a bit of protection. You get these parts, just like your nozzles. Another piece in a Loctite bag. Your turbine parts, some more nozzle parts, and your instruction manual. The instruction manual, self-explanatory. Step 1 is just basically doing the turbines, then the engine casing, and then the actual thrust vectoring or the actual jet nozzle bit on the end. I don't think we'll have thrust vectoring actually coming in a bit. Just a little bit late. That's a bit more modern. So yeah, 4 steps, quite easy. Should be highly detailed, much better than the crap you get in the kit from Revell. So let's take a look. So we go by the instructions. Like the first part would be the turbines. These parts here in the bag. You get two lots, so it'll be because of 4 engines and so on. So there's your resin turbines. I believe these stay as is. I don't believe you have to take them off. I believe that they're ready to go straight away. According to instructions, the way it looks like these already just stay as they are. Maybe a little bit of a clean up. Next part is engine casing. You get 4 of these. So it's just cylinders, and they got this, I don't know what you call it inside. It's like it's ripply. So the instructions asking to say, nope, sorry, my bad. That will go onto there, both sides. Obviously you will see them, but the camera's a little bit dark, so we won't be able to see inside. The next part will be asking for these bits to go in between the 2 engines. These bits here go inside, one of them sits inside there. You have the jet nozzles itself. There's 4 of these, but these do slide out. So you slide them. It looks like you're going to have to cut this. Right, this is one of the nozzles. It looks like you're going to have to cut this bit off, and it slides inside. I'll try pushing it from the back. Try pushing it up, but it goes. May be able to leave it like that, but I don't know. According to instructions, it needs to go up a lot more, so I don't want to. Maybe I'll get away with it, just sliding in. So technically that's on there, and the instructions are asking for and yeah, so yeah, you're going to have to take it off because it doesn't fit, because that slides over and sits like that. So because that's on there and that slides over, these are gaps, you're going to have to take that bit off because this technically will slide right over. According to instructions. Yeah, according to instructions. Yeah, so that will go on there, that will go over there. Yeah, so this is going to have to be trimmed and then slot into there. And these parts here are fine parts, and they will sit right across here, if you know what I mean. So they go all the way around the engine. There you go, guys. There's a little kit product, a resin jet nozzles for B1B Lancer. Laters.